Hey guys and girls, so for all the videos that I've done, especially on car maintenance, I've never showed you how to get it up on ramps so that you can work on it. So most important, make sure everything's chocked so that it can't roll forward. Parking brake is on. Ramps underneath the car, pull back to the stops there. It really is pretty simple. The one issue that I see these days, this is Rhino ramps. They're actually made for trucks, and as you can see, you got to get it dead nuts or else you ain't getting the car directly on them. But pretty simple. Get it on a flat surface, set the ramps up, get back in the car, roll back until you hit the stops. Everything's good. Like the thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Think about hitting subscribe. We're adding stuff like this all the time. Take it easy, guys and girls.